Wow, nasa top notcher. Ayan, two cars, A and B. Ano to? Two cars A and B have a velocity of 25 meter per second. So, meron daw velocity na 25. Oh, ito si car A. Tapos nandito si car B. Ang sabi, si car A is 73.5 behind B. So, ito si car A, si car B. So, this is 73.5. When brakes are applied to car B, causing it to accelerate at a constant rate of 3 meter per second. So, ito na yung distance traveled ni SB kasi nag-decelerate siya ng 3 meter per second squared. Pero si A ay constant speed lang siya, no? So, yung SA is simply the velocity times the time. So, ang velocity niya is 25t. Tapos, si SB, ang distance ni SB is equal to VOT plus 1/2 AT squared. So, yung distance ni B is equal to initial velocity, 25, times its time, plus 1/2, ang acceleration niya, negative 3, times T squared. Okay, nasundan? So, ngayon, ito na yung distance ni B, no, in terms of time. And, ang alam natin, yung distance ni SA, yung ita-travel ni SA, equal yan kay SB plus 73.5. So, substituting SA is equal to SB plus 73.5. So, ngayon, masasolve natin yung time na kung saan nag-meet sila doon, no? Na-overtake na niya si B. Class, hindi sinabing hihinto si B, no? Ang sabi, magde-decelerate lang. Okay. So, magkano yung time travel? Seven seconds. So, next. Ayan, ito yung time na mag-overtake na si car A. O, ano yung travel? How far will car A travel? So, si SE. So, that is equal to 25 times 7. So, SA is equal to 175.
Opo, sir.
Si SB, pwedeng 175 minus 73.5 na lang. Magkano po? Ayun, ganun lang. Next. Ito madali lang to, direct sub nyo lang. Actually, kaya lang to ihirap. Sir, paano naging mahirap to? From a speed of 85 km per hour, a car decelerates at a rate of 10 meter per minute per second. Sir, ano yun? Ang gulo ng units. Determine the distance traveled at the end of 30 seconds. So, meron daw initial speed. Ay, sumulat. Mawala ng tinta. So, velocity is equal to 85 kph, kilometer per hour. Tapos, ang hinahanap in seconds. So, i-convert nyo to into meter per second. So, ang 1 kilometer ay merong 1,000 meter. Ang 1 hour ay merong 3,600. So, magkano yung velocity? Sa meter per second. No? Pero meron na yun sa calcu. 85 divided by 3.6 lang. Magkano ito? Magkano pa? 23.800? 611. O, pwede na to. Meter per second. Dito pala dapat. So, ngayon, yung acceleration daw natin is 10 meter per minute per second. No? Ganito yung naging units. So, para maging per second squared, i-convert lang natin yung 1 minute into 60 seconds. So, ang matitirang units natin is 1 over 6 meter per second squared. So, again, conversion of units lang to. So, the distance traveled is equal to BOT plus 1/2 AT squared. Titignan nyo, no? Decelerates. No? Makinig, decelerates. Ibig sabihin, negative acceleration. That's 23.611 multiplied by the time, 30 seconds, plus 1/2 by A, negative 1 over 6 times 30. So, magkano squared? So, S is equal to pagkano? 63 point meters. 63?
633.
Ah, 633. Ay, ito next meeting na lang. Itaturo ko yung mag-motion curves ako.